Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Tomcat 270 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace the caster wheels on either side because they are damaged, gouged, broken, or the bearings are going out. Super simple. Get a 9/16 and remove the 4 nuts. Okay, now we're removing the last nut. Be sure to brace the caster wheel so it doesn't fall. Just like that. Okay, line the caster wheels back up with the bolts and get the 1 nut started. Okay. And now all we have to do is take and tighten back down the nuts. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.